Halloween fever has definitely kicked in here at our store, and that is why we have yet another Halloween-minded, quick and easy face painting tutorial for you today. So to create this skull/sugar skull face paint, Simone has a face painting sponge, and on it are the colors white and white and white by Marron. So this is Marron Paradise White, and with this Simone is just coloring the part of her face from the upper lip until just under her eyes. And once that is nice and white, we continue to a split cake by Diamond FX. This one is called Hibiscus, and it is perfect for this skull-like makeup because of the black that is the darkest color. It is very intense and perfect for sugar skull makeups. After putting in those lovely flowers, we continue to black, and the black is by Diamond FX. And Simone uses this to give the skull an outline. So there were the cheekbones, and here are the teeth that go with our skull. And to give it more of that sugar skull feel to it, we have some curls and swirls to make it into a pretty skull. Of course, we need the black nose to make this into a skull. And I think that if you put this on kids or even grown-ups, it looks very pretty. And it's still very Halloween without painting the entire face to make a skull or a sugar skull. A bit of white as the highlights next to the curls and swirls. Of course, we need just a few dots in the center of those flowers. And a small outline on the teardrops that Simone just put on the nose. And with that, our sugar skull face paint is complete. Well, we hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all the Halloween videos we're gonna upload until the end of October.